Okay, so let's start with the next question. That is the next Maxwell fourth equation, and so I am assuming that you don't have any kind of problem with the Maxwell first and second and third equation. Okay, maybe I'll ask you a question tomorrow or next day or next class, day after, maybe after the Christmas holiday. So I'll try my best to take the minimum classes on that period, but at least there will be two classes sure for sure. Okay. So let's start this one. That is the Maxwell fourth equation. Okay, today we'll discuss about the Maxwell fourth equation. Okay, but before going into the Maxwell fourth equation, understanding of two equation is very crucial. What are they? That is nothing but the equation of continuity and the Ampere circuital law. What is equation of continuity? Let's start with that one first. That is equation of continuity. Equation of continuity. Okay, equation of continuity. Equation of continuity. Okay. What is do you mean by equation of continuity? In terms of you have maybe you have read in this equation of continuity in my viscosity and the what is that and that kind of.
No, it was to it.
Yeah, that is related to that kind of things. But can you tell me? Yeah, what can you repeat for the? Can you suggest any kind of form for the current? That is the in terms of magnetism, in terms of that is the charge and everything. What do you mean by current? What do you mean by current? Current, you will say that nothing but dq by dt. Yes or no? Can I say that current is nothing but the movement of charge? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
continuity equation, this continuity equation tells about that the charge is moving out of a differential volume, छोटा सा एक volume ले लो, that is say for differential volume dB. If the charge is moving out of the differential volume, that means charge within the volume is going to decrease. This is obvious. If there is a differential volume and charge is moving out of this one, so that whatever the charge was inside, that will decrease.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
जो था उसको तुम बाहर कर रहे हो, तो that is the portion will decrease. So can we say that the rate of change of charge density is negative? Rate of change of charge density is negative.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but the expression for continuity equation. Therefore, the continuity equation tells about the amount to a conservation of charge. Kitna charge conserve ho raha hai, iska equation. So that is related to that equation. That is the rate of change of charge density is negative. Okay, let's do this one. Suppose this one is a, say, any kind of surface, and there is a small differential volume. Small differential volume, say dB, small differential dB, and there is a charge density rho. Okay, and charge is moving out of this one, and this surface. So it is obviously coming out of this one also. Now, what do you mean by I in terms of S? That is, you know this one, na? That is I equal to J by A. That is I. Current is nothing. J equal to I by A. That is current density equal to current per unit area. You know this, J equal to I by A, where J is nothing but current density.
Yes, sir.
From this expression, can we write this one? I is nothing but J dot ds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nothing but ds. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From this expression, sorry.
Vector notation, sir.
अब वेक्टर नोटेशन कहाँ होगा? वेक्टर नोटेशन कहाँ? ये जे डॉट होगा, ये जे डॉट होगा, ये होगा, बेटा ये भी होगा. तुमको तो याद करके देखो ना.
Yes, sir.
ये तुमको मालूम. Okay. So how if I say that the charge is coming out, can I say that number of charge from that the rate of change of charge with respect to time is negative? So can I write it down from this expression? Whatever I told you, I out, that is current is coming out. It is nothing but J dot ds. It is nothing but this one. That is nothing but minus dq by q. That is whatever the q charge is inside. dq inside by dt? Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is q? Q is the total charge enclosed by the surface. Total charge enclosed by the surface. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
if q is the total charge and rho is the charge density for this one, what is the relation between q and rho? What is the relation between q and rho? What is the relation between rho and q? If q is the total charge, if q is the
Rho dV.
rho is the density, charge density. Sorry.
Rho dV.
Thank you so much. Rho is the charge density. Rho is the charge density. What is the equation? What will be the equation? What will be the equation of Q? Can I write it down? Q is nothing but rho dV. Yes or no? Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
I write it down? That is I which is coming out of the surface is nothing but integration minus of j dot ds. This one is j dot ds. J dot ds is equal to minus sign d phi by dt. That is d dt of integration rho dv. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
J
sir.
dot
Yes, sir.
minus dq by dt, that is dq by this one. So rho is nothing but, so it can go inside this one. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Up to
Sir, why only I
sir,
out
বলছি
is taken as J dot
যে
ds?
যে যেটা যেটা কি স্যার একবার বলবেন এই পার্টটা?
আমি তো অনেকদিন রেসপন্স করছো না কাস্টমার, মানে মাঝে কোথায় চলে যাচ্ছে, হয়ে যাচ্ছে। প্রথমে I have started the derivation with the equation I equal to I, that is current. This is equal to, you know, this one dq by dt, and here charge is coming out. That's why I have paired this one. This is simple, as simple, the direction. Okay, current density মানে কি? Current density is nothing but J. Yes or no? J is nothing but current density. Current density মানে কি? Current density is nothing but I per unit area. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Current per unit area. So area মানে কি? Area মানে হচ্ছে ds. So can I write this one? J dot ds whole integration is equal to I. Yes or no?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ঠিক আছে? তো if I equal to minus dq by dt, I equal to j dot ds, can we write this one also? This is equal to j dot ds. In this equation, what is q? Q is the charge inside this one. हर्ष बोल सकते हो कुछ, मतलब हाथ खड़ा करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं ट्रैफिक पुलिस के तरह।
Sir.
हाँ, एक मिनट मैं बोलने दो। That is equal to rho, q equal to rho into dv, that is the charge density into volume. So we have written this is equal to charge density into volume ddt of rho dv. अब बोलो हर्ष।
सर J का और I का डायरेक्शन सेम ही होगा ना?
Yes.
Sir,
सर नॉर्मल होगा ना J and I, J and DS.
J and ds क्या, क्यों ds नॉर्मल होगा? नॉर्मल क्यों होगा? ds का वैल्यू क्या है? तो कुछ भी हो
एक
सकता
ही
है।
प्लेन में होगा ना?
नॉर्मल होगा तो cos, बेटा मारूंगा बहुत, ये नॉर्मल J और ds नॉर्मल होगा तो cos 90 क्या होगा?
0 हो जाएगा फिर।
0.
जीरो
सर कर्ल होता तो हो जाता।
तो 0 होगा तो जो I
Zero हो जाएगा।
मतलब I 0, मतलब current density depend on that. No,
सर बट in 12
बोलो क्वेश्चन बोलो, पूछा बोलो go ahead. बोलो जो मन में है बोलो क्वेश्चन। देखो क्वेश्चन नहीं करोगे तो मतलब
Sir.
यहाँ पर कोई सब मतलब सब कुछ जानता है ऐसा नहीं है।
sir, I out টাকে কেন আমরা J হিসেবে নিচ্ছি?
আমরা কারণ হচ্ছে we are as we from this derivation for this calculation we are assuming that whatever current, that is the equation of continuity tells about that if the charge is moving out of the differential volume, that the number of charge or the charge density inside the volume will decrease. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's why it can be increased, both case it can be increased, or that is also if you can this one, then also you can achieve that one. also. But we are going for the simply, that is, charge is moving out of the differentiable. That's why I have direction, given the direction is outside. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Like last time, the dy dt will go inside, sir.
sorry?
Inside the integration. Sir, like last time, the dy dt will go inside the integration.
या ऑब्वियसली जाएगा बेटा, 2 मिनट रुकने दो। तुम लोग का मतलब बहुत
Okay, sir.
जल्दी है, मोदी जी के साथ मीटिंग है शायद तुम लोग का। ठीक है, चलो j dot ds
ভিসকোসিটিতে যে ইকুয়েশন অফ কন্টিনিউটি ছিল ওটাও কি
exact same equation as both, but in terms of charge density. That's all. Whatever you read for the equation of continuity in viscosity, that will be the same here, but in terms of charge, nothing else. Okay.
यस सर
So if this is j dot ds and this is dv, how can we correlate?
क्या सर?
ये ds है, ये dv है, कैसे correlate कर सकते हैं?
सर स्टोक्स थ्योरम
Theorem कैसे होगा? Gauss theorem.
गॉस डाइवर्जेंस
हाँ वही
So this is nothing but Gauss theorem. Okay. Using Gauss theorem, write it down. Using Gauss theorem, response अच्छा नहीं है तुम लोगों को. Using Gauss theorem, पढ़ो बेटा. Using Gauss theorem. Using Gauss theorem. Using Gauss theorem. What can we write? Rho dv or j dot ds. This is j dot ds. J dot ds equal to how much? Anyone? How much? बोलो कुछ। तेजस कुछ
डेल जे डीवी
सर जे डीवी
डेल डॉट जे
Guys, next day I will ask you question. If there is no, you didn't give the answer, then there will be punishment. This is not possible. In the IT class, there are lots of, at least 32 people try to, most of the people will give the wrong answer, but they just try. But you are not trying it. That is why maybe few of the person, Hars, Anindo and Marmik and everyone, at least there is very less number of people, 10 or 15 people. It is very bad. Okay. So this is j dot ds. This is using Gauss theorem, del dot j into dv. Okay. So I am not saying that you have to say yes or yes and don't know. Just raise your query. Said I have not understood that part. That will be the best gift for me. Okay. So j dot ds and del dot j. Okay. So can I put this here? Put this value here. So can I say
এই
that
রোটা কি ডেল জি হয়ে গেল?
del dot j কোথায় কিছু করিনি, del dot j into dv is equal to minus sign ddt of rho into dv. Yes or no?
Oh yes.
Yes, sir.
So I have put this value, I have put here this value. Yes or no? But my
Yes, sir.
यस सर
So is
আর ওদিকে নিয়ে চলে যাব।
So can I take the common here? So ddt,
sir.
obviously, I think that ddt is not a function this one. So we can say del rho by del t into dv. Yes or no? So can I write it down? Integration v, obviously v. Del dot j plus del rho by del t into dv is equal to 0. Yes or no?
यस सर
স্যার ডেরিভেটিভ ফর্ম ইন্টিগ্রেশনের মধ্যে ঢোকানো যায়?
আগের দিন তার মানে বুঝোনি, আগের দিন একটা সেম করেছিলাম, that by d5 by dt at that point of time is a function of both, so that
এটা তো পার্শিয়ালি হচ্ছে না।
partial, that will be only the
ও ওকে স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার।
Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, my point is del dot j equal to del rho by del v. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
यस सर
dv.
So much. Vinita, go ahead.
Sir, here dv will also be true for any arbitrary volume.
Exact same manner. Same manner. This is true for any arbitrary volume. So the integrand must vanish as look.
डेल जे इक्वल्स माइनस डेल क्यू बाय डेल टी।
That is nothing but we call equation of continuity. So this is nothing but final result. This is nothing but del dot J equal to minus del
Rho by DLT.
This is nothing but the called equation called DWD. And this is true for anything. Whatever you have learned in viscosity, that is also this kind of thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is true. This is nothing but the charge conservation. Okay, this is true for anything. Okay, so this is very crucial. One part done. So one we get down. Second one is Gauss. Second one is Ampere circuit.
Ampere circuit law.
Okay, simple है Ampere circuit law. क्या करोगे? Ampere circuit. We all know this, but उसका derivation करो तो अच्छा है. Ampere circuit law. Next point.
Sir, your voice is echoing, sir.
कहाँ से आ रहा?
Sir, your voice was echoing. Now it's okay, sir.
Okay, sure. So Ampere circuit law. Circuit law. Ampere circuit law. What is the remember? We all know. That is B dot DL equals to mu naught I.
Sir, beta.
Ampere circuit law. We all know that the laws state that the integral of magnetic field of induction around the imaginary closed loop is nothing but mu 0 times B dot DL equal to mu naught I. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसको प्रूव कैसे करते हैं? इसका प्रूफ कैसे करते हैं? एक सिंपल प्रूफ है. कौन बोल सकते हो? दो लाइन में प्रूफ.
তো একটা সার্কিট বানাবো সেটা থেকে একটা স্মল
সার্কিট
বানাবো ভেতরে কয়েকটা কারেন্ট নেবো একটা নরমালি
ডিএল নেব ওখান থেকে বি বেরোবে
কত কি হচ্ছে সেটা
ओके बहुत मतलब दूर जा रहा है. कोई बात नहीं. दो लाइन में हो जाएगा. एक स्ट्रेट लाइन मतलब current is passing through this one. So if I consider then there is a magnetic field. What is the magnetic field from the center at this point? B equal to mu 0 I by 2 pi r. Yes or no?
यस सर
Point B equal to at this point B equal to mu 0 I by 2 pi r. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
यस सर यस
इसको क्या निकालना है? B dot DL. अब DL का value for this circle, what will be the value? DL का value for this circle, if the radius is
2 pi r.
2 pi r. So B dot DL is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi cancel out d1. हो गया? तो कहाँ से कहाँ है?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is very simple. Okay. So B dot DL equal to mu naught I. And this is the Ampere circuit law in integral form. Differential form क्या होगा?
Sir, DL will not be 2 pi dr.
DL will be not 2 pi dr. Can?
Because we are taking DL means the smallest element.
I am not. Sorry. This is not dr. Sorry. बोलना पूछने वाला था क्वेश्चन का. बोलो नहीं तो go ahead. So my point is B dot DL. I need B dot DL. And for this one I have already achieved. B is nothing but mu naught I by 2 pi r. And what is DL for entire thing? DL is nothing but for this one. Yes or no?
Okay, sir. Yes.
This is into 2 pi r cancel out. This is mu naught I. Okay. So my point is this is the integral form of Ampere circuit.
ওই তো ডেল বি ডিএস করে দেবো ডেল বি ডিএস
Del B D S.
মানে বিডিএল টাকে ডেল বি ডিএস
আই এর জায়গায় ইন্টিগ্রেশন কে ডট ডিএস করে দেবো আর ওই যে ক্লোজ যেটা আছে সেখান থেকে আমরা স্টোকস থিওরেম অ্যাপ্লাই করে দিয়ে ইন্টিগ্রেশন ডেল ক্রস বি ডিএস
এটা হচ্ছে কে জানো এসএইচ দিয়ে নাম কি হ্যালো ইটসক না সৌরদীপ কে বললে জানো লাস্টে
Shoel.
सोहेल बेटा तुमको एक पाल्स खिलाऊंगा बाद में. थैंक यू सोहेल. ठीक है? थैंक यू. व्हाटएवर सोहेल सेड इज द परफेक्ट वन. थैंक यू सोहेल. सो बेटा इसको तो हम लोग चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे. B dot DL को चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो वी कैन ओनली चेंज mu 0 I. Okay, what is due in by I? We have already learned mu I equal to nothing but J dot DS. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So is it clear to everyone? J dot ds. So can we transfer this ds into Stokes theorem? So if we convert this Stokes theorem, can I write it down? Curl of B. this one using Stokes theorem. Curl of B dot ds is equal to mu 0 j dot ds. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I compare and get curl of B is equal to mu 0 j? Yes or no? This is nothing but
Yes.
differential form of Ampere circuital law. This is nothing but differential form of the Ampere circuital law. Yes or no? This is nothing but Ampere circuital law. बेटा यहाँ पर भी लिखना पड़ेगा curl of B dot ds मतलब इस this you cannot write, this has to be curl of B minus mu 0 j dot ds. This is true for any arbitrary surface, so the integrand vanishes. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to curl of B equal to mu 0 j. So this is equal to curl of B equal to mu 0 j. So my second equation is coming curl of B is equal to mu 0 j. Okay, I need these two equations. That is why I have written this. So this is first one, equation of continuity, and the second one is the Ampere circuital law. This is the integral form, and this is the differential form. Is there any problem with this one? Is there any problem with these two?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I'll ask this question maybe after 2-3 minutes. If you do not understand this one, then it will be very problematic. Okay, let's go. So now comes the very, very interesting and the most difficult part of the Maxwell equation. And Maxwell took the initiative from this one, which leads to the Maxwell fourth equation. Take the divergence on the both sides of this equation. Take the divergence on both sides. क्या होगा? Take the
Divergence of a curl is 0.
Take the divergence of both sides of the Ampere circuital law in differential form. What will happen? Can I write it down? Curl of B, उसका divergence. Take the divergence, okay? Di, dr, g, and c. Take the divergence. This one divergence, okay? Divergence. Take the divergence. Del dot b into del b, okay? Is equal to
Yes, sir.
mu 0 del dot j. Yes or no? What my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I ask you this question, what is the left equation? What this is left hand side?
Zero, zero.
Right.
Zero.
Curl of the gradient is obviously 0.
0,
The left hand side is 0. As the curl of the gradient is 0, so the left hand side is 0. So 0 equal to mu naught del dot j. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Mu cannot
Yes,
be 0. Mu cannot be 0.
No, sir. The constant.
So del dot, so that means from Ampere circuital law we are coming del dot j equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्या है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
क्या है बेटा?
Six. Equation of continuity.
Invalid.
Not continue.
From Ampere circuital law we have achieved that is del dot j equal to 0. But here del dot
সেটা
j
রোটাকে কনস্ট্যান্ট করে দেবে, যেটা নয়।
Rho constant.
জিরো হয়ে যাবে কনস্ট্যান্ট টাইম আছে
sorry
রোটা কনস্ট্যান্ট হয়ে যাবে তাহলে, সেটা তো নয়।
রো বাই ডট এটা জিরো রোটা
what does it mean?
Did not continue.
মানে এটা ভুল বেরোলো, ভুল বেরিয়েছে।
ভুল নয়, in what case I will. So my point
Minus
is,
d5 d rho by dt equals 0 हो जाएगा sir.
obviously
Sir,
understand that
when rho will be constant,
rho will be constant. What does it mean?
means
মানে
independent.
So my Ampere circuital law is only valid where the charge density is static. That is steady current. There the rho is a constant. Ampere circuital law, write it down. Ampere circuital law is only valid where the charge density is static. That is the steady state condition of the charge for that is rho equal to constant throughout. Is it clear or not?
Okay, clear.
স্টেডি স্টেট বলো কিছু বলছো বলো রিপিট করো আমি নাহলে in online এটা difficult. So my point is that whatever you check from Ampere circuit law del dot J equal to 0, but steady state this is indeed true, but in general case the equation of continuity doesn't hold. So for time varying field the Ampere circuital law is not true. For time varying field the Ampere circuital law is not true. Or in other words, Ampere circuital law is only valid at the charge density is static, that is the rho is constant throughout. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. So at this juncture, that is this is universal equation. This is Ampere. So there must be some kind of discrepancy in the Maxwell in the Ampere circuital law.
Yes, sir.
So this discrepancy led to some modification in the Ampere circuital law, which is nothing but the called
Displacement current.
Ampere circuital law or the Maxwell fourth equation. What is nothing but the called Maxwell fourth equation or Maxwell modification over the Ampere circuital law. Okay, so what Maxwell did, let's do that. Okay, Maxwell modified the Ampere circuital law and named a term called JD. एक term ले आया, उसका नाम बोला JD. Okay, and he said that if we add JD in the right hand side, then it will be this discrepancy will not appear. Now you will say what is JD?
Displacement current density.
Displacement current density.
Displacement current density. Okay, I will come back to this point. Maybe some of you know, but I will come to this point after 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so Maxwell, write it down. Maxwell introduced a term JD. Okay, he said that in Ampere circuital law, this should be the proper equation. Curl of B equal to mu 0 J plus JD. Okay, but what is JD? ये क्या कुछ भी क्या करते हैं मुझे मालूम नहीं, अब मैं आ रहा हूँ, ठीक है. Now our intention is to find out an expression for JD, that what is the value of JD, what is the meaning of JD. Okay, clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
प्लेयर ने वहां पर देखा कि यहाँ पर गलती है, तो गलती सुधारने के लिए उन्होंने एक जेडी टर्म को ले आया. देन व्हाट इज जेडी? हाँ, बहुत सारे बोल रहे हैं कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट, डेटा डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट डेंसिटी कैसे हो रहा है, सब कुछ आप लोग चेक करेंगे. उसका एक्सप्रेशन भी क्या होगा, चलो क्या करेंगे. इफ एज द मैक्सवेल सेड दैट इफ यू ऐड द जेडी टर्म, then the Ampere circuital law is, that is the Ampere circuital law will satisfy equation of continuity. That means if we take the derivative again, if I take the divergence again, that will not be 0. Yes or no? That will
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
be equal to 0 again. Yes or no? This can as the Maxwell said, I have to introduce a JD term. Now what is JD? I don't know. But for this is for sure, if we take the derivative on both divergence on both sides, then this side should be 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mathematical.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is mathematical. तब इसको अगर 0 हो गया तो can I write it down? That is mu naught del dot j plus jd is equal to 0. Yes or no? हाँ तो नहीं हो तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This cannot be 0, but that means this.
Beta 0 है.
Yes or no? If this is 0, if del dot j plus jd equal to 0, what does it mean? Can I write it down? Del dot j
Negative of del
Negative of del dot JD.
del dot jd. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अब डेल डॉट जेडी का वैल्यू क्या होगा? अब डेल डॉट जेडी का वैल्यू क्या होगा? बोलो.
Toro by
minus d rho
Toro by
by d.
डेल डॉट जेडी का वैल्यू और रो डेट डी that is this side is minus del rho by del t. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
यस सर
अब जेडी क्या है? फिर से जेडी का क्वेश्चन आ गया. जेडी क्या है? मेरे को अभी नहीं पता, बट दिस इक्वेशन हैव टू ट्रू. ओके, जेडी क्या है? जेडी डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट डेंसिटी. ओके, इसको बाहर से कर सकता हूँ. I will introduce this term in next class, that is in the dielectric section. But this row can as I said in the first Maxwell equation,
Del dot D.
dot D equal to rho. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
This is displacement current density. So can I write it down? Del into del dot D by dt is equal to del dot JD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it? This is from Maxwell first equation. Maxwell first equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब दोनों को कंपेयर करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? दोनों को
JD
कंपेयर
equal-
करोगे
Z equals to
Z equal del D by del D.
D.
exactly. So that is nothing but del dot JD, that is JD minus del D by del T is equal to 0. This is true for any arbitrary surface and volume and everything, and that's why we can consider that this quantity is 0, that is JD equal to del rho by del T. Yes or no? Is it clear
Yes, sir.
to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to
Yes,
everyone?
sir.
Is it clear to everyone? This means the JD, this term is known as the displacement current density, which is different from the normal charge that is transported through the normal wire. Okay, so write it down. This D is called displacement vector, displacement current, and this GD is called their displacement current density. This called the displacement current density. This is called the displacement current density. Yes or no? And this is different from the charge transported current density. This is different from charge transported current density. What do you mean by that? If there is a wire and the charge is moving, that current density is J, and this is JD. Okay, I'll come to this point. What is the difference? Okay, so the Maxwell fourth equation. So Maxwell fourth equation is nothing but, this is nothing but, Maxwell fourth equation is nothing but modified of this one, that is curl of B is equal to mu naught J plus, this is maybe sometimes in the book it is written conduction current density JC plus del D by del T. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Is
Yes,
it clear
sir.
to everyone? That is JC. This is nothing but Maxwell fourth equation. This is nothing
और
but
টাইম ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ইকুয়েশনটাকে টাইম ডিপেন্ডেন্ট করে দিল
exactly. That's all. Okay. Now the question arises: what is displacement current? Before going into the detailed characteristics of the displacement current, let's discuss about the historical part of it. Then you can easily understand what is displacement current. Now, few questions. Say, this is a capacitor, and the capacitor is gap here. Okay, this is capacitor plate. Now, if you add a current source here, and this is time value. Now, can you tell me whether the current is flow through the circuit or not?
Yes, sir. Flow করবে।
Yes, sir.
করবে তো
Flow করবে।
So if I say this one, if there is current is, the question is there any current flowing through the circuit? You are saying its answer is yes. You are saying. I'm not saying anything right now. If you say yes, then there must be some current in the section A. Yes or no?
হ্যাঁ থাকবে
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then how it is flowing?
Dielectric-এর জন্য?
If there is no dielectric.
So electric field থাকবে।
How can you feel that the current is flowing?
আর ক্লোজ সার্কিট না হলে কারেন্টই তো ফ্লো করবে না।
बोलो कुछ तो बोलो अभी तो
Sir, there should be
না
a
না
medium in
ক্যাপাসিটরে তো
between.
ডাইইলেকট্রিক দিয়ে ফ্লো করে, ওটা তো ভাবেই হয়।
Sir, if air is the dielectric,
প্যারালাল
then
প্লেট তো
we need
ক্যাপাসিটর
এয়ারই আছে,
sufficient
এখানেই
current
আছে
to
ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড
polarize.
ডেভেলপ হচ্ছে
चलो
ওখানে,
यार,
তাই জন্য ওখান দিয়ে কারেন্ট
एयर कैपेसिटर है मुझे मालूम एयर कैपेसिटर मतलब that is not yeah perfect one. Then so I have a 3 question, that is whether there is a current or not in the section A. If the current is flowing, how can you check that is that this current is same current as the normal current? बोलो सबका नहीं क्वेश्चन एक एक करके पूछ रहा हूँ.
Sir, it is not the same as normal current.
Then how can you check that?
So there will be a
Because
deflection
the
if we check for
EMF is
magnetic.
introduced.
Sorry
Sir,
sorry
this is
Aditya.
only the displacement
If
current.
we take a compass, there we'll see a deflection in magnetic field.
সেটা পড়াশোনা করেছি. Okay, thank you Aditya. It's one of the simplest and remarkable experiment that performed by Maxwell. If you take the capacitor large and if you placed a small tiny magnetic needle, magnetic needle, as there is current flow, the magnetic needle will deflect, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Using the capacitor plate, large capacitor plate. Okay, if you place some tiny, very tiny magnetic needle, then you can check that if there is a current, then the tiny magnetic needle will deflect.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the current is flowing. Number 1, done. Now the next question: how it is flowing, and is this same current? The question.
Same, sir. Same.
Same, sir.
It is not the same.
No,
current.
sir,
No,
not
no, sir,
same.
এটা
not
displacement
On
current.
wire দিয়ে conduction
only
current আর
displacement
ওখানে
current.
displacement current.
This is nothing but called the displacement current. Okay, this is nothing. Yes, the first question: the current is flowing through the capacitor. The current is not regular current. Whatever the regular current is flowing like this, the regular current is flowing. That is against the direction of the flow of the electron. That is not that's the case. But this current is not regular current. It is called the what I say, displacement current. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So say this is P and this is Q. This is P and Q, and this is a time varying source, that is AC source. So initially an instantaneous current will appear on the charge on this plate, that dq by dt. Okay, so Q is the charge at the time d. Okay, then what will happen? Can I say that every point of time, at every instant, here is plus, here is minus, in the next instant that is plus, that is minus, plus minus, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not? Is it
Yes, sir.
clear or not? So
Yes,
can I say that at every point of time there is change in flux?
হ্যাঁ, চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by change in flux? dphi by dt, that is nothing but the EMF is producing.
হ্যাঁ,
That is nothing but the current, flow of current, yes or no? Got my
Yes,
point?
Yes,
So
sir.
initially an instantaneous current I equal to dq by dt, that is this one for this part, I equal to dq by dt, flow through the plate through the wire, मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ पे सब कुछ. That is why the circuit is complete. Okay, so then the displacement current, what is flowing inside, say that is id, and this is the current here is flowing I, and this is id. That should be for the entire circuit. If we consider that the current is such that algebraic sum of this and this should be whole living of the closed surface is 0, I equal to id. That's right. Okay, I'm not going into that way, but you can understood easily that every point of time, as this is time varying field, the flux is changing at every point of time. Change in flux is nothing but associated with the current, yes or no?
Sir, only flux direction is changing or magnitude is also changing?
मैग्नीट्यूड के बेटा कैसे चेंज होता है, ये तो ये फिक्स करके रखे हो ना, इसका एसी सोर्स का फ्रीक्वेंसी से तुमने से ये कर, ओके
ও এটা প্রুফ হলো যে ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট কারেন্ট হয়।
ऑब्वियस डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट है ना, কোয়া দেगा,
হ্যাঁ, মানে এটাই প্রুফ করলো।
এটাই প্রুফ, মানে this at this junction they prove this simple experiment can prove that there is displacement current. Displacement current is nothing but the what is a change in flux. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, or you can write it
Sir,
down.
sir.
Write it down, then otherwise I'll forget. Current arising due to the time varying electric field between the plate of capacitor is known as the displacement current. Current arising due to the time varying field, electric field between the capacitor plate is called displacement current. Okay. It is only an apparent current representing the rate of change of charge from one plate to another. It is only the apparent current representing the rate of transport of charge from one plate to another. Since this is arise, okay, write it down.
So rate of change of transfer of
Transport of charges from one plate to another.
Yes, sir.
oh yes sir.
Since or as because these arise due to the time rate of change of displacement current, that is D displacement vector, it is known as displacement current. Write it in your own way, maybe my language is not perfect. Since this is arise due to the time rate change of the displacement current, the displacement vector, that is why it is known as displacement current. That is why it is known as the displacement current. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear to everyone? Is it
Yes,
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब ये तो समझ गया तुमने, डेल डॉट डी बाई डी इज ए डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट, बेटा ये करंट कैसे, करंट डेंसिटी कैसे बने? Only for the understanding purpose. I am not saying that this way you can check that this one. Can you tell me what do you mean by this one? How
So if JD equals to ID by A.
ID by E. That is
ID by A.
del D by del T. What do you mean by D from Maxwell equation? D is nothing but D equals
Displacement
epsilon
current
E.
density.
Yes or no? D is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but epsilon E. That time I told you. So can I write it down? Epsilon into del E by del T. Yes or no? ये समझने के लिए, so I can only give you the dimension. Okay, what is E? For any charge, E equal to first study Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तुम लोग समझ नहीं रहे हो. Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
R square, और इसको बाहर रखो.
Sir, video got stuck.
Sorry.
Video got stuck, sir.
No, sir. It's
Now it is fine, sir.
सर चलेगा.
सर आ गए, चले गए, चलो. Okay, well, so now this is for only understanding. Don't put this one in the sentence, मतलब in exam. So this is del D by del T. D is nothing but epsilon into E. That is the electric field modified due to the permittivity of that space. The epsilon into A. So what is the electric field is nothing but Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Yes or no? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So this epsilon here. So look at this epsilon cancel out. Can I say what is this? dq by dt?
Ampere by meter square.
dq by dt, what is this? I. This is the constant. Limit the constant right now. By r square. What do you mean by r square? That is nothing but an area.
Meter square area.
4 pi square এটা স্পিয়ার এরিয়া হয়ে যাবে.
4 pi r square anything. যাই হোক. R square is nothing but area. What do you mean by I by A? What do you mean by I?
Current density.
Current density.
It is nothing but current density. As simple as that. With the knowledge of your class 11 or class 12, easily you can change that. Del D by del T is nothing but a current density. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you can check any kind of book. That will be the simple one. Okay. So this is nothing but the Maxwell fourth equation or Maxwell. What do you mean by this? Nobody will ask you that what is displacement. Maybe they can ask, but they will not go for this one. Oh, this is the differential. If differential form, what is the integral form? Give me the integral form from your common sense. Integral form. कैसे बनेगा? That is Maxwell fourth equation. This is Maxwell fourth
B
equation.
dot dl equals to mu naught IC plus
B
ID.
dot dl and B dot dl equal to mu naught
IC plus ID.
Yes, integration.
Is it clear to everyone or not?
हाँ हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Is it
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
हाँ,
सर
बोलो।
আমি বলছিলাম
सर डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट और कंडक्शन करंट कैसे अलग होगा वो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
बेटा डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट के लिए हाँ ठीक है बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछा मरमी माय पॉइंट इज दैट सोचो कि ऐसे तुम मतलब तुम दौड़ रहे हो ठीक है रास्ते से दौड़ रहे हो इसके बाद एक मतलब एक थोड़ा गैप आया जहां पर तुमको जाम करना पड़े ठीक है क्लियर तो तुम दौड़ रहे हो ऑन द फील्ड यूजिंग योर फीट दैट इज वन काइंड ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट you are jumping from one point to another that is also displacement yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes.
in normal current that is conduction current that is flowing due to the electron flowing yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what my point that is the whatever the correct direction of the electron that is will be the opposite direction of the that is the opposite direction of the current yes or no
Yes, sir.
इलेक्ट्रॉन जिस तरफ फ्लो कर रहा है करंट उस तरफ अब इसके बीच में कौन है कैपेसिटर प्लेट वो तो कोई नहीं है
हाँ सर जंप हो रहा है चार्ज फ्लो के कारण हो रहा है.
that is nothing but the maybe you can say that I will come back to this point maybe in the next class that is when I will try to give you the essence of the dielectric that time dielectric molecule will dipole will created like this. Yes or no
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
that will be
Yes, sir.
the direction of that one that will there is no one to bring take the electron from this point to this point so that means there is some kind of different phenomena is happening which is not like to the conduction current yes or no
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
okay so these are nothing but the Maxwell equation तो एक बार सब कॉपी लिखो
सर म्यू नॉट जे होगा या म्यू नॉट आई होगा
समझ नहीं b dot dl equal to mu 0 I आएगा ना
सर म्यू नॉट आई थी की वैल्यू
सर म्यू नॉट जे होगा चार्ज डेंसिटी ना.
कार्ड में आता है ओके चलो उसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसका सिग्निफिकेंस लिख लो उसके बाद एक टेबल बना दूंगा तो तुमको याद रहेगा लिखो दिस इज सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दिस वन ये क्या है टाइम डिपेंडेंट और टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट ये
टाइम डिपेंडेंट
Independent.
time independent significance this equation is time independent this equation is nothing but the modified Ampere circuital law which states that the change in electric field produce a change in magnetic field this is nothing but the modified Ampere circuital law which states that a changing electric field is produced due to the change in the magnetic field a change in electric field is produced due to the time varying magnetic field that is it is the reverse of the Faraday's law it is the reverse of the Faraday's law okay so go for the table so you will understand everything properly so go for the table write it down in your copy maybe in the what I say landscape mode so it will be better go for the landscape mode that is the entire thing in the same graph that is the Maxwell equation बेटा मेरे पास बहुत जगह है तुम लोगों के पास नहीं है Maxwell equation integral and differential form okay integral differential form first law क्या बनेगा that Gauss law of electrostat this is equal to E dot ds equal to q by epsilon naught or d dot ds this is d dot ds equal to q or this is one equal to del dot e equal to rho by epsilon naught or del dot d equal to rho this is your Maxwell first equation number 1 Maxwell second equation Maxwell second equation, integral from b dot ds equal to 0, and that is del dot b equal to 0. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मैक्सवेल थर्ड में आओ, फोर्थ में आओ। सो थर्ड इक्वेशन, बेटा ऊपर जा रहा हूँ, मैंने बहुत बोल दिया कि मेरे पास बहुत जगह है, अभी जगह नहीं मिल रहा है। ओके, थर्ड इक्वेशन, इक्वेशन क्या होगा? थर्ड इक्वेशन होगा e डॉट dl
माइनस डी फाई डी टी
is equal to minus of d phi by dt, yes or no? Or b dot ds, that
Yes,
is nothing but or d phi by dt or integration del dot del t into b dot ds, yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one equal to curl of e equal to minus of del v by del t. Is it clear to everyone? थोड़ा ऊपर जा सकता हूँ तो ये बनेगा, तो इसके ऊपर मेरे पास बहुत जगह है राइट नाउ।
सर थर्ड वाला का माइनस भी होगा ना?
हाँ, यहाँ पर माइनस है। थैंक यू मार्विन, थैंक यू बेटा। फोर्थ वन क्या होगा? फोर्थ वन वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिड दिस वन, b dot n equal to mu naught I into mu naught del t by del t, and this one is nothing but curl of t equal to mu 0 j c plus del t by del t, yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
नहीं मिला क्लास।
हाँ
Just give me one second, ना बोल। Okay, so okay guys, one announcement. AT side has some sort of emergency, so AT side will take the lab class from 1:30. Okay, so please bear with this. So if I think you have class from up to 12:30. So please make sure you are present at 1:30. We'll end the session by 3, I think. Okay, so please bear with us. So as there is some kind of emergency. Okay, chalo. So this is nothing but the Ampere circuital law and this form. Is it clear to everyone?
सर फर्स्ट वाला म्यू नॉट जे ही होगा, वो आई आप जहाँ लिख रहे हैं।
यस सर, जे होगा।
মানে মিউ নট আইডি হবে,
समझ में नहीं है।
মানে আপনি ডেনসিটি হিসেবে লিখছেন আর একটা কারেন্ট হিসেবে লিখেছেন।
ডিএসসি লিখে দিই।
Sir, how will it add up if it's one is density and one is
ওটা
current?
একটা মিউ নট আই আছে, একটা বলছে মিউ নট
হ্যাঁ, একটা ডেনসিটি আছে, কারেন্ট ডেনসিটি।
आई एच जगह जे
जे लिख रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे जे होना चाहिए ना।
आई नहीं होगा।
del t ds লিখে দিন তাহলে
No, I cannot write this one b dot dl equal to this one, but you can only write jdl. Just that is. Now, if I take the current density,
স্যার একটা কারেন্ট ফর্মে একটা ডেনসিটি ফর্মে।
no,
ওদিকে ds লাগিয়ে দিলে হয়ে যেত।
yes,
ঠিকই তো লিখেছেন।
বুঝতে পারছি না কোথায় প্রবলেমটা দেখছি আমি, এবার আমি সেই জন্য রিয়েলাইজ করার চেষ্টা করছি। So if I go for this one, then maybe if you are saying what is Ampere circuital, anyone, Ampere circuital law is b dot dl equal to mu 0 I, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Ampere modification যদি করি তাহলে কি আসবে? Just give me one second. Hello? একটু পরে করুন, আধ ঘন্টা পরে করুন। বেটা ये
JD is displacement current density and sir I is current. Sir, how will it add up if these are different?
तो कैसे करोगे बोलो?
ds
J होना चाहिए ना I की जगह पे।
স্যার আপনি আই সমান
স্যার, এক
জে
ampere,
ডট
এক
ডিএস
ampere
করেছিলেন
meter square।
integration।
ds
ওটাই তো আপনি তো ঠিকই লিখেছেন, আই এর জায়গায় মানে জে ডট ডিএস এর জায়গায় টোটাল ইন্টিগ্রেশনের জায়গায় আপনি আই লিখেছেন, ঠিকই তো লিখেছেন।
ওদের কি প্রবলেমটা হচ্ছে দেখি, তারপর আমি আসছি বল।
না না, পার্শিয়াল ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন লিখতে হলে তাহলে লিখতে হবে ইন্টিগ্রেশন ডি ডি মানে ক্যাপিটাল ডি
করে
ডিএস
দাও
চলে
না,
আসবে।
পার্शिয়ালের জায়গায় dt করে দিলে if I
नहीं
go
नहीं सर, ठीक है वो कैलकुलेशन में कर दी तो मेरे।
if I go for del t, there is constant or not? सुनो
हाँ।
सही है सर।
না কারো বলতে পারবে না।
স্যার কিন্তু আলটিমেটলি তো ইউনিটটা ঠিক থাকছে না।
কোনটা ইউনিট ঠিক আছে না?
এই যে মিউ নট আই আর মিউ নট ডেল ডি বাই ডেল টি, এটার ইউনিটটা দেখুন।
তাহলে এই করে দাও। ওকে, সো ইফ ইউ আর feeling this one is a problem, but this way we can also write. I think it will be better, whatever OC said that will also mu 0 j dot ds plus mu 0, this one, that is nothing but del d by del t into ds. Okay,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
yes sir.
মুছে দিই, তাহলে আমাদের প্রবলেম যখন আসছে এইটা লিখে নাও। So b dot dl, that is also possible. b dot dl is equal to mu naught j dot ds plus mu naught, that will be del d by del t, mu naught, that will be del d by del t into ds.
Dot ds.
Is it clear right now?
yes sir.
Clear
Yes,
right
sir.
now?
স্যার
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
खुश? এটা तुम लोग मेरा जान खा
স্যার বলছিলাম যে ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট কারেন্ট কি ভ্যাকুয়ামে এক্সিস্ট করে, মানে যদি কোনো চার্জ না থাকে?
সেখানেই করবে। ওকে, সো সরি। Okay, so I am leaving. Maybe ma'am is here, so maybe I extend the session tomorrow. Okay, so thank you so much.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Thank you, sir.
Be on time for the lab at 1:30. It will start at 1:30. Okay.
सर उसमें क्लोज सरफेस क्यों होगा
कौन सा?
सर डी डी डी
नहीं, क्लोज नहीं है, ये कभी भी क्लोज नहीं है। This is open closed
हाँ
loop.
फर्स्ट वाला क्लोज बस
उसमें ओपन सरफेस।
यस सर।
Closed loop. This is loop. C or T L कुछ भी. This is open surface. These two are open surface. Okay. Thank you so much.